Fucking chop liver? Yeah!
No way! That's badass.
Oh, there, look at that. Wow. Casholas, eh?
That's monies.
All right, taxes are due, motherfuckers. This car was here before. The only thing we did this time was we put a smaller pulley on it. We did the P3 gauge and we did wheels and tires on it, the 17-inch kit.
Maybe 12 pounds of boost now.
Yeah, now, yeah. I didn't rev it all the way out on the last pull. I was curious myself, because I don't know what pulley we went from, but made like 9 pounds, 9 points, no, that was last run. Made like 9 pounds last time I was here. Now it makes like 12, so. And it made, what did we say it made? 760 on, or 730 on E last time it was here.
I think so.
And now it just made 780 on pump. So, should do good. It's got 14% ethanol in it, so
yeah,
pump gas. Yeah, no. Pump is like 10 or 11, so. It's actually shaking more than normal. That's kind of big, I don't know. What? What's an idle on that?
Gotta do the methane?
Yeah, I just painted the fucking plate for it.
Yeah. Some quality paint jobs here. Just a base plate though, so not a big deal. Just to keep it out of sight, out of mind.
I need to move the car. I need to get that ZL1 on my list. Huh?
Are those for the meth or not? What's up there?
As for the brake booster.
Okay. Put you on the spot? You don't remember?
I'm just having issues deciding how I want to do this shit.
Yeah.
Because I can do it. There's a lot of options doing it to SS's. The ZL1s are a little more limited on what you can do. Like the LT4 cars, everything has to be underneath the intake because the PCV system sets up into an LT4 blower from the, like right here. So this being an LT1 and having the PCV valve out in the open, I normally do the ProCharger vacuum block, which I would feed all my accessories that need boost reference, which now I'm going to do that through with the intake manifold, which will clean up. Really, I won't even have to use that vacuum block, which will be nice. Come off the back of my regulator, right off the back of the intake. Come off the front side of the intake, come over to my meth controller and hob switch. So that shit's done.
Yeah, somebody asked about this one in the comments the other day. They saw it in the background, and they said, "Hey, what's going on with that guy?" Yeah.
Business? Is that what you told him?
Yeah, I didn't even reply. I just said, "Hey, none of your damn business." That blower is a lot bigger.
What's that?
That is a lot taller than the other ones on there.
A lot bigger, that's why.
Yeah. More boost.
Nah, bigger blower, less boost.
Yeah. Good one.
The wrong kind of bruise in there. I don't know.
My turn.
Oh, is that you? Yeah.
No way.
That's
Let's go.
Oh, there, look at that.
Wow.
Casholas,
That's
eh?
monies.
All right, taxes are due, motherfuckers.
Overhead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I love these. I'll wreck these. I'd wreck these when no one else likes them. Yeah, awesome. Much appreciated. Always. Thank you very much.
It was very nice.
Yeah, that makes up for bringing your car here with no bumper.
Right now it's up 50 horsepower on pump from what it was before on E. Made like 730 something before on E on 9 pounds. Now it made like 782 on pump on 12 pounds. So it'll probably make, I don't know, a little over 800. So it'll pick up 80 or something. I think the only thing we changed was the pulley, I think.
Yeah, I think for in terms of horsepower, that was the thing.
Correct, yes, in terms of horsepower. We did, the pulley, the P3 gauge, the 17-inch kit, so. Yeah, 5 gallons of each.
Alright.
There's an ethanol percent, and then there's like an alcohol thing. So right now, it shows the one is 49, but the other one's only 14. You gotta drive it a little bit for these two to match. And then once they match, I'll make a pull, because like the ethanol percent is basing off the fuel, but I think the alcohol percentage is what does the timing. So if it thinks that it's 50% E, it'll get the air fuel right, but it won't add any timing, because it's only seeing 14. So I drive it for like 2 minutes until those numbers match, and then I make a pull. Like when I say I gotta like let it circulate, I have to like let it until those two match. A lot of the times it's because like a lot of the shit, like the old fuel's still in the fuel rails and all that shit, like, and since it doesn't have it doesn't return like back out of the rails and shit, you gotta like drive it, get that fuel out and get the new fuel in there, and then it's good. So.
last time?
730 on E last time, yeah.
It's not bad.
No, it was on 9 pounds, so
Yeah.
now it's on 12, so if I rev it a little higher, I mean at 6,500, I think is what I just went to there. 6592 or something. Yeah, it reads like 11 and a half, but if I rev it to like 6,800, it reads like another half a pound, but 11 or 12 pounds. So it's just a pretty good gain for another 2 or 3 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
But this is a little blower. It's a P1X, so not going to get a ton more out of it. I think this is the smallest pulley they sell for it. I don't know what lower we did on it, but
So at the next, if you wanted to make any more power, they'd have to get a different blower,
I
probably.
mean, you could make more power with this thing, but it's a lot harder to do it with this blower than it would be a bigger blower. I think.
Yeah. Working at max capacity
Yeah.
versus like half capacity.
Yeah,
whatever it is.
exactly. Whatever. Another, almost 100 more horsepower will feel pretty good.
There it is.
Yeah, we'll just leave that.
What's that? 808 and 11.9 max boost. About 12. So,
Good enough.
what's that?
Said it's good enough.
Yep.
It's like a GED. Good enough degree.
Good enough degree.
That's what it stands for.
Working on my meth harness, got the tank mounted in the trunk. Intake's done. Did the washer bottle relocation kit from Rwhp, which works great. A 5-inch intake, you can order it all pre-plumbed for meth. So all the bungs are there for you. Nice solution, that's why we ditched his old intake and went with ours.
Yeah, more plug and play, a lot easier.
Yep. All set up for an intake air temp sensor. They're just really nice.
Yeah, so it makes your job or whoever's installing it
Yep.
way easier.
Oh yeah.
And I mean, why wouldn't you want the bigger intake?
Yeah, it makes great power. Looks great. It's just great. It's a great unit. Truly is a good unit.
It's so weird. They put these blowers back together like the snouts with that red shit.
Yeah, I know. Pisses me the fuck off.
Why?
Why can't you use the gray shit?
If that shit's pissing you off, then you got. I mean, they use red stuff in the factory on some of them.
I mean, I don't.
I mean, it just pisses me off so
Yeah.
much that I might go home and just have 50 beers.
Yeah, it just grinds your
I mean,
gears.
I just
Drink myself.
I just don't understand why you wouldn't use the shit that General Motors is designed to use on their fucking engine.
full cam package, lower balancer, 2-inch American Racing headers, Kong ported blower, 103 throttle body, 5-inch intake, and a meth kit. Like just on with pump gas. Well, it had like 20% E in it before we put E in it, because we had to drain out what was in here, and it had like 70% or something in here. So we got it down to like 20 something. Now it's up to like 50, I think. I don't know if it'll go up more, but I mean it's making killer power for what it is.